Expositional complex of Abylay Khan. One of the main attractions of the entire Shukynsk-Borovsky resort is a memorial expositional complex of Abylay Khan. The complex was opened in the Burabaye village in 2009 at the foot of Mount Kokshe, in a place that was known as a historical field of Abylay Khan. According to ancient legends, here was located the raid of one of the outstanding figures of Kazakh statehood, a wise leader of the Kazakh Khanate. The project to create a historical complex was carried out by initiative and support of administration of the President of Kazakhstan and the party Narodin. One of the most popular objects of the complex is the throne of Abylay Khan. It presents a stone of natural origin. According to popular belief, it is a sacred place. Many tourists visit the shrine and go around the throne 7 times. As soon as this number is considered as a happy number of Kazakhs, so they make a wish and believe that it will come true. Abylay Khan Field is a unique monument of nature, which is characterized by a special microclimate. Here a special activity of sunshine and an abundance of biologically active ultraviolet rays are observed, which rejuvenate the human body. Entrance to the historical hall is guarded by 2 sculptures of historical figures such as Bayam Bader and Kazakhstan Gyro. Visitors can find interesting expositions in the hall, which tells about the great Abylay Khan and his role in history. There are exhibits telling the Council of War before the Pelini Holod Dusty Cold, war maps of the Khan, his biographical data, legends and songs about him, layouts of the army. The colorful panel reception of ambassadors is highlighted. There was an image of Abylay on his throne, and clergy settled on his right hand, on the left warlords. It is about how the great Khan met his ambassadors, who had arrived from China, Bukhara, Russia. Abylay Khan Stella is located at the foot of the famous Kokshe Mountains, which was established in 1991 in honor of the 280th anniversary of Abylay Khan. The monument is an octagon and inscribed in a circle. The octagon represents not just a side light, but also grace, which is propagated in all directions. According to Kazakh culture, it claims grace in perpetuity by conjunction with circle. Historical continuity of the public service of Kazakhstan is claimed in the monument, and Abylay Khan was praised as one of the combiners of the Kazakh people. The entire monument is such a whole symbol of the motherland that connect people, nations. The height is 35 meters, and its faces are decorated with gold ornaments in the form of stylized arrowheads. Proportions emphasize the expression of future tendency. Exposition complex of Abylay Khan was conceived as a multifunctional space which perform educational and ideological functions. Annually, million people visit the complex. Each of these tourists touches to the great historical personality of Abylay Khan, and guides inform them about the rich historical past of Kazakhstan.